2004, 2005 is what fits. Hey guys, we're back. Alright, the reason why I'm being so sus with the cameras because we can't have cameras in here, but we're going to try our best to get everything and not get kicked out. Okay, so this guy on Facebook, I asked him for the door and the spoiler. He wanted 70 bucks for the whole thing. Lives in Aurora. There's another you pull and pay. And then I asked him, do you still have the car? He said yes. You want to go look at it, or you want to look here first and then
we'll finish here since that's a yes for sure, and then we'll go and check it. All right, so that guy doesn't have the hood.
He doesn't have the hood, so we got a hood here.
So we just so we can take the hood.
The hood is actually pretty good. Oh baby, you are nice.
I would just like to see.
Yeah, so this is the same junkyard, but we're in Aurora now. Earlier we were in Denver, so we're just gonna go see. The other guy didn't respond to us, so we're just gonna wait. Well, we're gonna go and see. If we find it here, we're just gonna end up getting it here.
The thing is, we don't have to pay because we already paid at the other one, so they're the same. So.
Row 59.
55. 50, so. Alright, update. The guy has an answer, so we just decided to come to his house and knock since he gave us his address.
Okay, well, we'll see if...
we'll just walk up?
Yeah, we'll walk up.
On the highway?
Well,
you took the wrong exit. You know you can just go another way. You don't have to actually reverse.
Nope, we'll reverse. I can literally like floor it, dude.
These cars are... Why is no one honking up? Shit, Alex. See, you took the wrong exit too. Ooh, that guy up there. Oh, that's you.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so we just finished eating at Raising Cane's and
this is how I'm driving back all the way. No balls. Baby.
And then we still have a whole cart to build, so we got every part, so.
Most of every part. We still need the front bumper.
Front bumper, but
they wanted like 60 bucks for that.
Yeah, what we got the whole car for what? How much? Like under...
Probably like under 200.
Under 200.
Under 200.
Under 200, so. It took
2 doors. I mean, although we don't have to replace the doors, but I mean, 40 bucks, and that's how much just the regulator the speakers and the whole mechanism for the windows to go up and down, because the driver's side doesn't go up, and the mirror is screwed up in it.
The motor's busted.
Yeah, the motor's busted.
Bumper, front windshield, and then paint. That's
yeah. Because right now we're gonna go in and we're gonna take everything off of it, the doors, and put everything back on, dude. It's gonna be a good day, bro.
We'll catch you guys there.
So yeah, we ended up getting 2 doors. This one's a little damaged, but I mean, and he gave us the harness.
A buff out.
It'll buff out.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh boy.
You got the other door too, right?
Yeah, we got both. Inner, left, and right.
Oh, don't forget to, yeah, we got...
Oh yeah, we also got an intake.
Intake, yeah. The hatch.
Thing. Oh, it's a good day.
We got done in what, 3 hours with everything?
Around there. Oh, and then we went to go eat. We're gonna put the hood in the latch. I think this one. I don't know. Do everything. Okay. Oh, dude. You're gonna be too precious. He's right there, dude. That's too much.
Alright guys, that'll be it for this week's video. We finished the hood. We got the hood. We got the 2 doors you just saw, but we're gonna get those next week. We're also gonna be restoring the headlights and then getting a new windshield. So that'll be next week's video because I mean we did a shit ton of things today. So we still got the dually. We haven't touched the dually yet, but we're gonna sell this one, the Honda first, and then we'll be able to get the dually fixed and sell that one because that one's gonna be expensive, but we got more projects coming along. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, stay tuned, and keep up with the videos. Catch you guys next week.
I don't know how to stop.